If the seats in your Mercedes-Benz are stuck and won't move, start by checking the electrical side first. A blown fuse is one of the most common causes, so locate the fuse panel and inspect the one assigned to the power seats. If the fuse looks fine, slide a flashlight under the seat and check for loose wiring connectors or unplugged harnesses, since movement over time can sometimes disconnect them. Next, look for physical obstructions in the seat tracks. Small objects like coins, debris, or buildup in the rails can jam the mechanism and prevent movement. When you press the seat adjustment switch, listen carefully. If you hear the motor trying to run but the seat doesn't move, the issue may be a stripped gear or damaged linkage. If you hear nothing at all, the switch, relay, seat control module, or motor may not be receiving power. In some cases, removing and reinstalling the seat fuse can act as a basic reset. If none of these steps solve the issue, the seat motor assembly or internal drive components may need professional repair or replacement.